Hello everyone, in this video I will explain whether a Zelle recipient can see your name and personal information when you send money. Later in this video, I'll also show you my favorite service to transfer money internationally for very low fees. The short answer is yes. When you send money through Zelle, the recipient will usually see your name. This happens whether you are using Zelle through banks like Chase Bank or Wells Fargo. If you are using a personal bank account, the recipient will normally see the personal name connected to your bank account or Zelle profile. If you are using a business account, then the recipient will usually see your business name instead. For example, when someone sends a Zelle payment, the transaction details inside the banking app often show the sender's name automatically. This information is transferred directly between banks as part of the payment process. However, Zelle does not share sensitive banking details like your full account number, debit card number, or online banking password. The recipient only sees limited information needed to identify who sent the payment. Because of banking rules and security requirements, anonymous Zelle payments are generally not possible. Your registered name is usually included with every transfer. If you want to check what information is connected to your Zelle profile, open your banking app and go to the Zelle settings or profile section. From there, you may be able to update your display name, phone number, or email address linked to Zelle. That's it. That is how Zelle privacy works and what information recipients can see when you send money. Now if you want to try my personal favorite money transfer service, I recommend using MoneyGram. You can send money quickly using your smartphone or visit in-person MoneyGram locations spread out all over the US and Canada. Click the link in the description to download the app and try it out.